What cryptos are showing bullish momentum? In today's crypto market, a few names are showing strong bullish momentum. Based on CoinMarketCap's evolving momentum algorithm, which tracks news, social buzz, and price action. Here are the top movers making waves right now.
First on the list is Altura, which has surged an incredible 127% in just 24 hours, and over 132% in the past week. This spike comes after Altura's merger with AI-focused Kuvi Labs on July 23, 2025. Their relative strength index has soared to 82, which signals strong buying pressure, but also a short-term volatility risk. Daily trading volume jumped to $12.6 million, far above the July 2025 average of just $1 million. Analysts point to heightened speculation driven by engineering risk factors, and observers believe that Kuvi's immediate integration updates have sparked the rally. Next is Cycle Network, up 65% in the last 24 hours and 92% over the past week. This pump followed listings on Binance Alpha, Qcoin, and MXC, with daily volume spiking over 3,000% to 24.2 million. An airdrop requiring 200 alpha points engaged a large community, while the project's $430 million TVL in bridgeless cross-chain tech attracted a wave of speculative attention. However, sustainability will depend on delivering their promised universal settlement layer and maintaining momentum after the initial hype fades. The focus now is on how Cycle Network handles post-listing sell pressure from airdrop claimants and whether they can keep growing TVL after the mainnet launch. And then there's Orderly, up 17% in 24 hours and 38% this week. Orderly recently passed its first governance proposal, approving the reduction of 60% of protocol fees to buy back tokens with a $1.25 daily burn rate. This deflationary approach aligns incentives with traders, but the project still relies heavily on derivatives volume, which ranges from $54 to $415 million daily. Integration with Seifu has boosted OmniVault TVL to $15 million, and the community is watching for progress on their proposal A1 and centralized exchange liquidity bridging.
What does all this mean for the broader market? Altura and Cycle Network's rallies show how event-driven pumps can create high risk-reward opportunities, but also highlight the fragility of such moves.
Orderly, on the other hand, appears more stable fundamentally, although still dependent on trader activity. Bitcoin dominance remains steady at 52%, weekly flows are flat, yet open interest in derivatives has reached $16.6 billion, a reminder that the market is still primed for volatility. The critical question for Altura now is whether their new leadership can stabilize the token before profit-taking kicks in. For Cycle Network, it's whether they can keep TVL growth once the hype from airdrops fades. And for Orderly, the path forward will be about maintaining liquidity growth while diversifying beyond derivatives.